Hey guys, and welcome to this episode of Cake. My name is Asma, and today we're going to be making this beautiful snow globe cake, which is perfect for a winter themed party, and I thought turned out adorable. Let's get started. To start making this cake, I've already leveled my 6-inch cakes, and I'm going to fill them up with icing and stack them up. Let's go. Now we're all stacked up, and now we're going to give this cake a crumb coat and put it in the fridge. You want to have an extra bowl handy here so that you don't get crumbs in your main icing. While the cake is in the fridge, we're going to make the houses that go inside the snow globe because they take some time to dry. So I got this box here, a little gingerbread mini village from Walmart, and I'm just going to use the front-facing parts of the houses to make our houses for the globe. So we're going to start. It actually came with some royal icing already. I just put it in a bag with a little round tip and added a little bit of water to make it a little bit smoother, and we're just going to use this for the outsides of the house. Now we're going to give this cake a final coat of icing. Let's go. Whoop. Now we're going to use this little cake tool here with the edges to make lines all around our cake. So let's see how this goes. I'm nervous. Now I'm just going to move this up a little bit and try to match up the lines so that we don't make double the lines so that we can get this top part over here. Now before we fill in all the holes, I gotta put this back in the fridge for another 20 minutes. So I've colored my icing blue, purple, and pink, and we're going to use them to fill in all the gaps. I've never done this before, so hopefully it works out. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. No one's wishing me luck. Good luck.
Good luck.
It's okay, it's gonna take a couple of rounds. It's not gonna happen right away, don't worry. Where'd my bowl go?
No, but I don't know. I didn't really know the other back. Honestly, it was like, magic.
Yeah, I can't hear anything.
Now we're going to make the snowflakes. I have some fondant here with some Tylose powder in it to make it dry a little faster. And now I'm going to use these snowflake cutters. No, that didn't work.
Oh, no.
Oops. You gotta push it in first and then stamp. Then you pull it out.
Oh, cool.
And then pop it out.
That's so cool.
Yay, that was a fail. I am loving how this cake looks so far. Now we're going to put all of this stuff right onto the cake. Let's go. We're going to start with the jelly beans. So I've dyed my icing blue, purple, and pink, and I'm going to fill in these holes now with the 3 colors and then scrape it off so it looks like one smooth, stripy, colorful buttercream cake. Never done this before. Let's see how it goes. Yeah.
I'm like, you seem committed to doing that one, and I'm like,
I was like, oh, she said. Like, there were so many other
you saw her
Why
like
did she
reaching
do
in,
that?
right?
She was good. She was good. And this one I was like, oh,
Yeah, like, you saw her like getting ready to start. I'm like, are you sure?
all right.
Like standards have dropped.
All the other ones were great, but you redid those. Who told you this one?
Don't move far away from the table. You're lighter.
Oh, my stomach.
I'm just watching. She's like, oh, she started. No.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this cake, please leave a comment below and hit that like button. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.